Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Pandy here of Pandy's Hair, Candy, and More. Just dropping back in on my channel to let you all know everything is everything. I am doing much better, feeling well in my body. Um, Trying to get over a little cold, but nothing major. And I am coming back to do a quick pre-wig review. Um, I just received this beauty in the mail today. She is the new What Lace unit from Sensationnel. There's been a lot of chatter on YouTube about the new What Lace line. It's supposedly a hairline illusion lace wig. And I got Chrissy in the color 1B. I saw a couple of good reviews. It's the 100% premium fiber. It's a pre-plucked natural density unit. It's in a basic bob style. So I think this is going to be a great unit for everyday wear. Being that I work in the hospital, I think this is going to be an absolutely great unit for everyday wear. And I enjoy the fact that it is a 13x6 frontal. It's customized so I can part it down the middle. I can get a side part on either the right or left side, so it's going to be fairly versatile. And it's a synthetic unit. So like with this one that I ordered from Elva back in February, which it's April now, it's still holding up. I paid $86 for. And again, that was my first time ordering from one of those overseas companies in China. It took several weeks to get. I'm not with all that. I usually don't pay any more than 30 bucks for a wig. This one was $24.99 from Hair to Beauty. And I think I ordered this on Saturday and it's Monday and I got it today. So that's what I'm talking about. $24.99. And I am not going to actually review this unit on today. I just wanted to come on because I'm so excited. I've been seeing so many nice reviews on the unit. However, I've been hearing pros and cons, and the cons have been saying that Sensationnel's What Lace line has a very light colored lace. So I'm hoping that that doesn't disappoint with this wig, because I want to be able to break this out for next week to wear to work. If it does come off as too light, I do still have that Sally Hansen spray tan. So I'll go ahead and make it do what it do with the spray tan and just kind of blend it in. But I'm excited, y'all. It's got two combs in the back. I'm sorry, two combs in the top, one in the back. It's a soft Swiss lace with ear-to-ear combs and adjustable straps. It's 100% hand-tied and pre-plucked with a realistic natural density illusion hairline. It says that the lace is translucent Swiss lace, which kind of leads me to believe that it was probably more geared towards the non-melanated skin tones, but you know, us sister girls, we rock our units. So I'll probably come back on my channel on Saturday or sometime, yeah, on Saturday, because that's probably when I'll start prepping for work, to review this unit and give y'all my final thoughts. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that this is what I'm working with, and also to touch base with you all to let you know that Pandy is doing well. And thank you guys so much for those of you who reached out to me to let me know that you were praying for me and wishing me well and get well soon and things of that nature. I really do appreciate it. I'm just going to pull it out briefly here just to kind of see what we're working with. Oh yeah, this lace is very light. But do you guys see that? It's very light in color, but it's also very translucent. So yeah, that's gonna be light on top of my skin. But I do like how pre-plucked, can y'all see that? The hairline is. And it seems like it's gonna be very light because with it going into April now, you know, it's already 70s and 80s here where I'm at on the East Coast. So this is gonna be great. Yeah. This is Chrissy, y'all, from Sensational. What lace line? I guess they're trying to gear these units more towards the shorter work appropriate lengths, and I so love that because I wear units because I am natural, but I'm not a long wig wearer. I can't do anything really past my shoulders. It just isn't comfortable for me, or natural, because my natural hair is not past my shoulders. So yeah, it comes in a variety of colors. It comes in 613, T1B/30, a T1B/BG, a T1B dark teal, a T1B silver gray, T2 copper, T2 rose gold, T2 427, and a T4 27613. So I am really excited. I am hoping that this works out. I like that pre-plucked, get my tongue together here, hairline. I'll go ahead and probably do another bentonite Aztec clay treatment on my hair just to detoxify, because when I was in the hospital I was getting so much IV antibiotics. I just want to kind of get all that gook out of my scalp. My hair has been braided up for probably about 3 weeks now, so I'm gonna go in and do that, give myself a nice deep condition treatment, moisturize, and rebraid my hair back up and try to work Miss Chrissy out. So y'all be sure to stay tuned. Make sure your notifications are on so that you can come back on and join me when I go ahead and do my review. I'm also going to be checking out what's hot on the news, and in the celebrity news, as well as the reality TV shows, so that I can get back on here with my reviews. I have got shipping updates as well, that my backdrops and my ring light and things are in the process of being shipped. So my content is going to be coming together, y'all, and I do thank you guys for being patient and rocking with your girl. Please feel free to like the video, share the video, and comment. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Alright? Y'all be blessed. Have a good night. I'm just getting home from work, so I need to get out of these scrubs, take me a shower, get some dinner going, and chill on out. Gotta go to work in the morning. Alright. Y'all have a good night. Bye.